Would rather plus base form. State preferences with would rather, could rather not, and the base form of a verb. Examples. She would rather see a less violent film. Ella preferiría ver una película menos violenta. She would rather see a less violent film. The second one. We would rather not see a horror film. Nosotros preferiríamos no ver una película de horror. Repito. We would rather not see a horror film. Use then with would rather to contrast preferences. Examples. I would rather rent a movie than go to the theater. Eso significa, preferiría rentar una película que ir al cine. The second one. They would rather go to a Woody Allen film than a Martin Scorsese film. Significa, ellos prefieren ir a la película de Woody Allen que a la película de Martin Scorsese. Let's see the questions. Would you rather see Casablanca or Wall-E? ¿Preferirías ver Casablanca o Wall-E? Which would you rather see, a comedy or a drama? ¿Cuál preferirían ellos ver? ¿Una comedia o un drama? The third one. What would you rather do? See a play or a movie? ¿Qué preferirías hacer? ¿Ver un juego o una película? Short answers. Would you rather stay home? Yes, we would. Would you like to see a movie? Actually, we would rather not. Si se fijan acá, el you es plural, porque la respuesta está con we, nosotros. Sí, nosotros preferiríamos. En la segunda, ¿te gustaría ver una película? En realidad, preferiríamos no verla. We would rather not. And please be careful, don't use to after would rather, that is impossible. Not, he would rather to see a comedy, no. He would rather see a comedy, that is correct, okay? Remember this.